Hey, welcome back. Adjust the sound if you need to. My volume now is in the tunnel, whatever. So, being a minimalist, I can experiment on myself, right, and do weird things and see. But here we go. This is not the meal of the day. This is left over from the other day. For some reason, my camera will stash a picture back, and it doesn't show, and then all of a sudden there it is. I don't know why. But with such a yummy picture, would you eat that, right? So let's continue down my journey, right? So let's go to the lab and do some more carnivore food cooking stuff. Oh my gosh! All right, what we have here on the bench is 4 eggs and some ribs, ribs that are kind of like bacon, right? So why not have some eggs and rib bacon? Now, being a minimalist, I like easy, fast, but with the best ingredients. So let's see what we can get into with this. Remember, what happens in a bunker stays in a bunker. We're going to do shotgun style, so let's do this quick like. So here we have some pre-cooked rib bacon, right? That's what I call it. Right? Left over from the ribs the other day. Rib bacon, right? Nice. Let's throw some eggs on top of this, right? Now I did heat up the bacon rib stuff first, and then I put the eggs on top. So notice how they're getting crispier a little bit. Nice. This is after 4 minutes of the reheat button. So reheat button for the saw. Oh, look at that. Nice. Ah, there we go. So I did take my kind of eyes away just for a second, and I got a little darker than I wanted, but it's fine. The thing that people don't realize, or whatever, is this cooks the top, so the stuff underneath is marvelous. It's pretty okay. So threw some cheese on top of it. Why not? Right? Why not? Oh, would you eat that? Would you eat that? Pretty good. So that's my breakfast for the day. Look at that. Yummy. Very, very good. Whoo. Hey, have a nice day. You know what to do. Leave a howdy do, a comment, a thing, whatever. Later.